Hi.
Hi, I'm Israel, and this is Israel's World UK.
No, it's not. It's Harry's World UK. Today we're going to be looking at the amazing toy, My Mermaid Lagoon. So it comes with a mermaid, a charm shell, and a key.
Comes with a charm and bead to make your own bracelet.
So you can get 3 different mermaids, and one's called Storm, one's called Calypso, and the one that we've got is called Serena. Let's open it and have a closer look. Ooh.
Beads.
So in the box it came with a charm shell that says Selena, a key, a dolphin charm, some beads, the key rings and the band and the mermaid.
I think there's something inside. Now we're going to open it.
So we've got a cushion for the mermaid to sit on that came inside the shell. Now we're going to put it in the shell. So, so the mermaid fits nicely inside when we close it. And now I'm just going to look it.
Me and Daddy didn't make the charm bracelet and we've looked at the instructions. So we have to put the split ring on the charm and the key, just like Daddy done here. Now we have to put these last Look what we made! Now I'm going to put it in my mermaid lagoon. Oops. I really like my mermaid lagoon. I tried making my bracelet with Daddy and I can't wait to play with my mermaid. I want the other 2 now! Thank you for watching Harry's World UK. Please subscribe. If you have got a Mermaid Lagoon or would like one, leave it in the comments down below. Give this video a big like and remember, have a Harry day!